Hello everyone, welcome back to day 28 of our 30 days English speaking challenge. Today I am going to share how I spent my whole day with my mother. It was a simple day, but it reminded me that the happiest moments are often the simplest ones. While spending time together, we cooked delicious food, talked, laughed, and create beautiful memories. Let's begin today's story. My day with my mother. Today was a very special day because I spent my entire day with my mother. I woke up early in the morning and wished her a good morning with a smile. We had a cup of tea together and talked about many things. Spending time with her always makes me feel relaxed and happy. After breakfast, we cleaned the kitchen and started preparing lunch together. My mother taught me some traditional cooking tips that she has learned over the years. I carefully watched every steps and tried to help her. We washed the vegetables, chopped onions, tomatoes, and other ingredients and prepared a delicious homemade meal. The kitchen was filled with the wonderful smell of fresh spices cooking together. Was not only enjoyable but also a great opportunity to learn new recipes. While cooking, we shared funny stories, talked about our childhood. We shared funny stories, talked about our childhood memories, and laughed a lot. This small conversation made our bond even stronger. After lunch, we spent some time relaxing together. We had tea in the evening and discussed family life and future plans. My mother always gives me valuable advice and I love listening to her experiences. In the evening, we prepared dinner together once again. Working as a team made every task easier and more enjoyable. By the end of the day, I realized that happiness doesn't always come from expensive things. Sometimes spending quality time with the people we love is the greatest blessings. Today was a day full of love, learning, gratitude, and beautiful memories. Thank you so much for watching day 28 of our 30 days English speaking challenge. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Question of the day: what did you do with your mother today? Share your answer in the comments in English. Keep practicing, Keep practicing English every day because small daily practice leads to big improvements. See you in the day 29. Take care and keep smiling and have a wonderful day.